Hey guys, welcome to the show. Today we're checking out the Hohem iSteady M7. Now this is an advanced phone gimbal to allow smooth operations of your shots. Look at that, you can move it in slow motion. But the killer image about this is that it has one of these remote controls and it has a live streaming feature. So you can see exactly what is going on the screen here. This is the AI tracking capability. You got remote control, so you can all control it, move it from the go. You can frame yourself, find out exactly what's going on in the shot. And it even has some really cool features. I need to show you this one. And we're going to be playing around with this very soon. But if you go, for example, inside the moment, you get these cool features. Like, for example, this one's called Inception. You also got Facing the Sea, Travel, and these are just automated pans that it will do automatically for you. So you don't need to worry anything. Let's just show you the Inception one. I'll plug the phone in. We'll click Start, and you hold the phone like this, and it will go ahead and do that camera movement to give you that sort of Inception feeling. So you can do some pretty trippy shots. Look at that, just without having to do anything. And it'll just look like things are happening. And this is just all working really nicely. The remote control, just everything just works really, really well out of the box. And you got lots of different ways to control it. So it just filmed that sequence for me. That was one of the sequences inside. But if you even go into the menu over here, just swipe to the right, you can click on scenarios. So you can do wide angle shots. You can do panoramas. So for example, if I did a 180-degree panorama, it will just go ahead and just start moving the camera to the left, snap a picture over here, snap a picture, and just go ahead doing the thing. So it's kind of like a drone in the form of a gimbal, just does it all for you over there. So I guess the best thing to do, let's take it out and let's just see if we can do some cinematic photography. Got a trigger button here so you can hold the camera straighter. Look at that. Let's see if we can do some cinematic photography with this situation. Let's go. All right, so it's dinner time, so we're gonna have some fun with this gimbal camera, and let's see if we do some shooting. You got that. Let's lock in the head. Got it locked in like that. So I don't, you can see I'm not actually moving anything, and it's framed the shot on the baby. Look at that, it's just moving automatically. Now I'm gonna do the Inception shot. So we're gonna try taking a family little situation. Now I can't see exactly what's going on whatsoever, but I can now. Look at it.
Wow.
Look at that. I've got a live shot of what everyone is
That's so
over
cool.
here. Look at that. We're gonna try this one out now. It's called Dolly Zoom. Not really sure how to do it, but let's just give it a shot. Let's just see what it does. You get to choose what you want to zoom into. So I'm gonna zoom into her, click press. Let's see what it does. Oh, that is cool. So it's zooming in as I'm walking away. So it seems to work. Yeah, I'm using the remote control, live action sequence. Obviously, it usually does get a lot more hairy when we're feeding the kids. Today they've been very pleasant. Or sometimes it does get manic. So having these automatic AI trackers would be good for you. So one of the good things about this AI module is that you can just unclip it at any moment and take it and put it where you like. So I'm flipping the view. So now it's going to be tracking objects on this side here. So if we go back into the main menu, I can hold my hand here and I can draw a box around my hand. And it's going to go ahead and follow my hand just like that. All right, so what do you guys think of the Hohem iSteady M7? We've got some Hollywood family time action happening over here. And let me know what gimbals that you guys are using out there in the world. Hope you guys found this video useful and enjoyed the show. AI. Right, so this is the Hohem iSteady M7 AI tracking smartphone gimbal. Look how beautiful it looks over here. Look at its settings. It's got advanced AI tracker, detachable touchscreen. It's got a tripod carrying case, safety guidelines. Oh, very, very important for this. And it just looks gorgeous. Let's see what it looks like in person. Oh, this is a nice case. Very, very fancy. I feel like an actual photographer with this. Yeah, there you go. This is the gimbal. So this is made for smartphones. This is a full-on kit. So many knobs. Got a nice little stand to come along. So You just screw it in on the bottom there. And we do have also a charging cable as well as some product literature. Now when you plug it in to charge up, you get a nice beautiful display telling you exactly what is what. So it looks like we've got 2 charging points. One's for this display, the beautiful part, and the other part is for the actual gimbal itself. So let's let that fully charge before we test it out.